So everyone needs a killer coleslaw recipe, and you guys are gonna love the creamy, peanutty satay dressing that this one's got. Okay, so for the dressing first, really simple. We just want some smooth peanut butter. Licking fingers is inevitable when you're working with smooth peanut butter. Garlic and just a little bit of palm sugar. Now you could also use some light brown sugar as well if you don't have palm sugar. Some fish sauce, a little bit of vegetable oil, some coconut for that awesome creamy flavour, but no dairy. So this is a good one for anyone that's lactose intolerant in your family. And totally optional, but a little pinch of chili flakes just for me. Now for something sour, we want some lime juice. I'm just going to push down on this lime so I can get the most of all the juice. And now just blend. Wow, and just like magic, we have this beautiful, thick and creamy dressing. It has this like tangy, peanutty flavour. I'd like to say that you would keep this in the fridge for a few days, but I don't think so. I think you'll use it all at once. Now, I have a delightful rainbow selection of vegetables here, but you can use whatever coleslaw vegetables you usually like to use. I like the white and the purple cabbage. And then I've got some shredded carrot and some edamame beans. Now these are Japanese soybeans, and you usually find them in restaurants in those pods that you get at the beginning of a meal, and you can find these in the freezer section now in a lot of supermarkets, and they have a really lovely sort of pop of green vegetable freshness, but you could use frozen peas as well, or just leave them out. Okay, and I want some slices of spring onion as well. Just save a few of those for the garnish for later, and some nice fresh mint leaves. And now for the creamy dressing. So I like to go with about half of the dressing first and give that a mix and just see how we're going. That's looking pretty good, but I think we can take a little more dressing. I just like my coleslaw to have just the barest whisper of dressing around each strand of vegetable. Not too much, not too little. Now that is looking and smelling beautiful. Now this is the kind of thing you want to serve alongside a barbecue, grilled meats, just about anything. And a little bit of chopped roasted peanuts, and a final scattering of spring onion. So everyone needs a killer. Mom, we can hear.